Today we have to solve a question of ray optics that is based on the mirror formula and magnification. The question is, a candle flame is held 3 cm away from a concave mirror of radius of curvature 24 cm. Where is the image formed and what is the nature of the image formed? So first you have to write what are given in the question. Given the candle flame is held 3 cm away from the mirror. That means this is the object distance and this will be negative because it is situated left to the mirror. So the object distance u, that is minus 3 centimeter, and the mirror is a concave mirror whose radius of curvature is 24 centimeter. So for a concave mirror, the radius of curvature is negative. So the radius of curvature r, that is minus 24 centimeter, and you have to find out where the image form. That means the image distance and nature of the image form. So here first you have to use the mirror formula to find out the value of image distance. So the mirror formula is 1 divided by f, that is equals to 1 divided by v plus 1 divided by u. Here the radius of curvature is given 24 centimeter and the relation between the radius of curvature and the focal length f, the focal length f is half of radius of curvature, so that is minus 24 divided by 2, so focal length will be minus 12 centimeter. So you have to put this value here. So this will be 1 divided by minus 12, that is equals to 1 divided by v plus value of u is given minus 3 centimeter, 1 divided by minus 3. That implies 1 divided by v will be minus 1 divided by 12 plus 1 divided by 3. So the LCM will be 12 and this will be 1, this will be minus 1 plus 4. That implies 1 divided by v will be 3 divided by 12. That implies the image distance v will be 12 divided by 3, that is 4. So the image distance is 4 centimeter. So first answer, where is the image formed? The image is formed at 4 centimeter. And what is the nature of the image? To find out the nature of the image, you have to find the magnification. So the formula of magnification m, that is height of image to the height of object, and that is equals to minus of image distance to the object distance. So here the image distance is 4 centimeter and the object distance is minus 3 centimeter. That implies magnification m will be minus of 4 divided by minus 3. That implies m will be 4 divided by 3, that is equals to 1.33. This is the magnification. So here the magnification is more than 1. And when the magnification is more than 1, the image form is enlarged and it is positive. See, the magnification m is positive, and when it is positive, the image form will be virtual and erect. image form is enlarged, virtual and erect. So this will be the nature of the image form. So this will be the answer. The magnification reduced is 1.33 and the image form is enlarged, virtual and erect. Thank you.